Got a few packages right here from Coolzy.com. That's pretty cool. Award winner, Australian technology. Got this big main box and a small accessory box. I'm gonna open it up, put it on the table right here, and go through all of the components. Remote control, user guide, the unit, handles right here, wheels underneath. That's pretty nice. Portable air conditioner, 220 to 240, 50 Hertz. So this is for my European friends. If you're from the US, you would have to hook up a transformer to convert the 220, 240 volts down to your standard 110. Rated power 430 watts, 1100 watts cooling capacity. Nice. A long power cord right here. That's pretty long. I'm guessing this is the drip tray for the AC. Pull it out to empty. I'll take a quick look at the user guide before we plug it in. For the accessories, this is the exhaust tail. Select it. All right. Vent brackets. This unit can operate without the exhaust. Well, at least that's what they're advertising. It looks really nice. It's pretty lightweight. Let's plug it in. So we are hooked up. Some batteries in the remote. Look at the specifications. It's a compressor type AC. Drawer stores about 2.5 liters of water. Cooling capacity 800 to 1100 watts. Rotary compressor type. Yeah. Check filter every 2 weeks. Let's open it up right here. This is the cold air outlet. Got your filter inside here. Let's pull it up. Screen right here. You can clean. It's nice. Let's push it back in. All right. It says to start the device, just open it up. There you go. Warm air comes out here. We're going to test it in one of our bedrooms attached to a power meter and see how it fares. That's the compressor kicked in. Let's turn it off and take it inside. All right, so we're in my son's bedroom. It's probably the hottest room in the house right now. Placed the AC by the door as recommended in the user guide when you're not using the additional ventos. Plugged in right here. The watt meter in between. Got this smart temperature and humidity sensor right here. I'm going to show you on screen the temperature right now. So let's start it up. Let's just try it. Started. It's blowing right here. Mic right here. Sound. we're going to open the cold air outlet right here. Now let's just wait for the compressor to turn on. While we wait, let's check the watt meter. 55 watts in fan mode before the compressor starts. That's the compressor kicking in. That's not half bad for an AC. Nice. Yeah, so we're gonna let it run and see how long it takes before the room is in a decent temperature. So I set it on low, 20 degrees Celsius. Running 393.94 watts. 7 minutes running. Alright, so we've been running for 4 hours now. As you can see, the power draw under 300 watts. So it's not using that much energy. It's not as efficient as I hoped. This is not that big of a room. But as you can see from the chart, from our sensor, it is taking the temperature down. It's hot outside today. So yeah. But you know, for a smaller room, for an RV or a camper van, this would be just perfect. If you're using it in a home, I would use it as more of a point and shoot kind of AC, which Coolzy themselves suggests that place the unit in front of, say, your bed and point it right at you, and the air is cold. Also noticed on the back in the drawer there was a plug pulled out which fills up the tray back there, and it has a stop sensor which stops the unit when the water reaches the set level, which is a really nice plus. With the accessories, you could place it near a sliding door, in a tent with the tubing, and it will keep you nice and cool if the room is small enough, in my opinion. Another thing to point out is that this unit will run just fine with a mid-sized portable power station if it's got a pure sine wave inverter. A portable power station like the Allpower's R600 will run this no problem. You will get the limitation of few watt hours and shorter runtime. Portable power stations will work just fine with this unit. Just make sure you got enough battery storage or solar panels to power it. Got any questions? Feel free to leave them in the comments down below. Like this video if you like this video. Sure to check out these 2 videos next, because YouTube told you to, and links to the Coolzy website is in the description and the pinned comment, and I'll see you in the next one.